Want to know how the wealthy pay less in taxes and build more wealth through real estate? It's not a secret. It's called bonus depreciation and cost segregation. Let me break it down. Real estate is the ultimate tax shelter. Real estate comes with built-in tax advantages that most people never take full advantage of. You've got depreciation, which is your annual tax deduction for the value of your building, bonus depreciation, which is a massive upfront deduction for certain assets, and 1031 exchanges, which defer capital gains when you sell. Today I'm going to focus on the first two, but I promise to add more videos to this series on the ins and outs of the 1031 exchange, capital gains, and more. So what is cost segregation? Normally when you buy a building, the IRS makes you depreciate it over 25 and a half years for residential or 39 years for commercial. But with cost segregation, you hire a specialist to create a cost segregation report, which is basically a detailed building dissection that breaks the building into parts like furniture, carpet, parking lots, and the building itself, assigning each a depreciation category of either 5, 7, 15, or 39 years. Anything categorized under 20 years is considered to be a short life asset. Here's where it gets exciting. Thanks to the big beautiful bill, whether you're a Republican or a Democrat, 100% bonus depreciation is coming back in 2025 for any qualifying property placed in service after January 19th. So what does that mean? It means 100% write-off for assets with lifespans of 20 years or less. So all that furniture, the parking lot, the carpet, basically anything but the building meets that criteria. So let's say you cost seg the building and identified $300,000 worth of short life assets. Instead of your typical 20 grand a year in standard deductions, you could, depending on the property, legally write off $300,000 or more right away in year one. That's not just a write-off, that's real money back in your pocket. I'm going to show you a quick example just to break it down visually for you. Here's how one investor saved over $110,000 in taxes. Take a look at the numbers. He had $1 million property, $200,000 of that was allocated to land, which is non-depreciable. $800,000 was the building value. A cost seg study reclassified $300,000 of that into 5, 7, and 15 year short life property assets. 100% bonus depreciation applied in year one. The investor being in the 37% tax bracket equals $111,000 in actual tax savings. That's real money you don't send to the IRS, and you can use it like this investor to buy another property and repeat the process. You can pay off debt or you can just keep it, whatever you want to do with it. That's real money and real savings. And you don't need to own a strip mall or office tower to utilize these methods either. It's just commercial buildings. So what does that mean? Commercial buildings are multifamily buildings like duplexes, fourplexes, etc. Short-term rentals like Airbnbs, apartments, office buildings, these all count. So how do you do this the right way? Simple. Step one, talk to a CPA who understands real estate. Not all accountants are created equal, just like real estate agents aren't. You need someone who knows how appreciation and cost seg works inside and out. Step two, partner with a cost seg specialist. These are the engineers who inspect your property and break it down into short life components. They're going to create the report your CPA is going to use to apply the deductions. And step three, time your purchase rate. To qualify for 100% bonus depreciation, your property must be placed in service after January 19th, 2025. So if you're looking to invest, start planning now. Bonus depreciation is not a loophole. It's a wealth building strategy that's written right into the tax code. If you're a high earner or investor or just sick of paying the IRS and want to keep more of what you make, let's talk. My name is Melissa Roberts. I'm with the amazing Pemberton Homes team with eXp Realty, and I look forward to hopping on a call and exploring a game plan with you. Give me a call today or drop me the word bonus down in the comments and I'll help connect you with my cost seg team and show you what your savings could look like. I am going to put out some more videos, like I had said, on the 1031 exchange, capital gains, and other things like that. So keep an eye out for those. If there's other subjects you'd like me to cover, let me know that as well.